So let's go and explore Golden Gate Hotel and Casino here in downtown Las Vegas. All right. Got a lot of slots here. Yeah, slots. This is $1 slots. And this is where the table games are. And I think this is their high limit slot. So we have slots here too. High limit slots. They have vintage pictures as well of Las Vegas. And then this is their cashier cage. And that's the post office. Oh, okay. And then this is the hotel's front desk. All right. And then I think this is going to be parking lot. Yes, this is their parking lot. And then this is their Golden Gates display here when you enter from the parking lot. Okay. Then we have a bar here. Bar. And then it looks like this is a reward for Golden Gate. They have a lot of very nice slots here. Very nice. And also the carpet looks brand new. All right. So this looks like a good display right here. So that's the access to Fremont Street. Let's go around here and let's go back where we entered. So they have a lot of slots here. side, they also have a popular bar here. So this is their bar right here. Golden Gate Bar. And they have a lot of drinks to choose from. That's a lot of drinks right there. A lot of people tonight. And this was the place that we were in. So, yep, we just went back. I'm just going around here. There you go. So that's Golden Gate Hotel and Casino. So like this video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to watch this video next, and thank you for watching.